Hey guys, Sportshot here, and my latest Krunker hack video, the method was patched, but I have a new method for the same hacks, so you can have the same advanced hacks, but they won't be patched now. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so what you want to do is go to the Chrome web store to get Tampermonkey. If you already have Tampermonkey, you can just skip ahead in the video. But so yeah, you just gotta search Tampermonkey here. Add to Chrome, add extension, and you're good. It'll pop up a page, you can just get rid of that, you don't need that. Next thing you want to do is click up here, right click that, go to dashboard, and then click this little plus mark right here, and then you have this new script. Delete everything in there. And then here's a Google Doc I have in the description of the video. Just highlight everything, Control-C, copy, and then Control-V, paste it in there, and then, yeah, there's your script. Then click File here, and then Save. And then it should work there. Make sure that it's green there, and that it's enabled. Press K for Krunker. And then we got a little hacks menu, that orange thing right there that I'll show you that it's up. You can go through the menu and mess with the settings if you want. But we're in the game now and we have the hacks. Right all over there. So I'm going to turn bunny hop on because why not? Oh, the game ended. Let's wait until we get into a new game. Okay, we're in a game now. And as you can probably see, these hacks are pretty good. Okay, let's go to the objective. I'm going to turn off bunny hop. And yeah, T is for auto aim. Ooh. Switch to the sniper. Got them both. Okay, let's go take that cap point. Ooh. Okay, got him. I'm going to do a 360 in the next person I see. And that'll be the end of the video because this just shows you how to do everything already. So yeah, oh, there's somebody coming up over here. Oh, that didn't work. Wait, I'm not good at that. Do not have enough space for my mouse. Okay. Ooh, look at that flip. Ooh, ooh, and it died. Okay, but yeah, it's a lot better when you actually try to do well with the hacks, like when you aim at your enemies first, but yeah. So, yeah, that's about it. Please remember to like, comment, and especially subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified of future hacks. Because this one will most likely inevitably either stop working and get patched, and I'm going to have to update it. I'll have an update video out when it is updated, so you're going to want to get notified of that.